You step off the plane in Tokyo. You speak zero Japanese, and between you and your hotel stands a wall of signs you cannot read. Today I'm going to hand you 10 characters. Learn these 10, and you can survive Japan.
10. That is it? Out of what, 2,000?
10. The exact 10 that show up the moment you land. The ones on the doors, the trains, the money, and the signs that keep you out of trouble. Ready? Your trip starts now.
Okay, first problem. I am off the train and the station is enormous. Where do I even go?
You hunt for this one character. It means exit. On a sign, it joins with mouth to spell Deguchi, the way out. Follow the Deguchi signs and you will always find daylight. Miss it, and you will tour the basement of the station for 20 minutes.
So this character is basically the hero of the whole trip.
Your best friend in every station in the country.
And if exit is that one, the entrance must be its twin?
Almost its twin, which is the danger. This one means enter. Iriguchi, the way in. But look closely, because it has an evil look-alike. The character for person is nearly the same shape. The only difference is which stroke pokes out on top. Mix them up and you will try to walk into a human.
Note to self, do not bow to a doorway.
Now the building you will basically live in on this trip, the train station. This character, Eki, ends the name of every station in Japan. Tokyo Eki, Kyoto Eki, 14 strokes, and hiding on the left is the character for horse, because centuries ago, these were horse relay posts. You swap trains where travelers once swapped horses.
Wait, the station has a horse inside it?
It does. And here is the unwritten rule. On the train, silence is golden. No phone calls, voices low. A loud tourist on a quiet Japanese train is the fastest way to earn the disapproving stare.
Let us talk money before I go broke. What am I looking for on a price tag?
This character, N, it means yen and also circle. See it after a number, and that number is the price. Sen-en, 1,000 yen. And one cultural rule that will save you real embarrassment. Do not tip, ever.
Wait, no tipping? That feels illegal to me.
In Japan, it can come across as confusing, even a little rude. Good service is simply expected. Leave the coins, use the little tray by the register, and walk out guilt-free.
Okay, urgent question. I am facing 2 restroom doors, and I cannot read either one.
These are the 2 most important characters of your entire trip. This one, otoko, is man. This one, onna, is woman. Do not trust the colors. The colors lie sometimes. Read the kanji. Man is a rice field over power. Woman is a single flowing figure.
And what is the worst that could happen here, realistically?
2 things. 1. The obvious wrong door. 2. The slipper trap. Many places hand you special toilet slippers. Wear them inside but take them off when you leave. Strolling back to dinner in toilet slippers is the most famous tourist blunder in Japan.
I am at a tiny street corner. No cars anywhere, and every single local is just standing there. Why?
Because of this character. Tomare. Tomare. Stop. Painted on the road. Posted on red signs. And in Japan, people wait for the light, even when the street is empty. Crossing on red, especially in front of children, earns you a very pointed look.
So, jaywalking here is not a crime, it is a personality flaw.
Beautifully put. Now, the signs that actually protect you. This one, kiken, danger. You will see it in bright yellow near train platforms, construction, and anything you should not touch. The shape is a person teetering on a cliff edge. One slip, trouble.
Good motivation to stand back.
Especially on platforms. Behind the yellow line, always. Express trains do not stop. They scream through the station at full speed, and the wind alone can knock you sideways.
What about all those signs with a circle and a red line through them? I see them everywhere.
That is this character at work. Kin, forbidden. It pairs up to ban things. Kinen, no smoking. Tachiri kinshi, no entry. 13 strokes. 2 trees over an altar. A sacred grove you could not enter.
So when I see this one, I should basically freeze.
Exactly. And here is the big one for tourists. Many city streets are no smoking while walking, and you can actually be fined. Smokers, find the little glass smoking booths instead. And now the last character. The one I hope you never need, which is exactly why it matters most. Hai. On its own it means not or non, but joined with 2 others it spells Hijo Gucci.
The glowing green running man.
That one. In every hotel, every train, every theater, look for the green sign with the figure mid-sprint. In a country that lives with earthquakes, knowing this character is not trivia. It is your way out.
Okay, give me all 10 one more time. I want to feel ready.
Out of the station. De and iri and eki. The money, en. The 2 doors, otoko and onna, and the safety 4, tomare, kiken, kinshi, and hijo. 10 characters. That is your survival kit.
Honestly, that felt less like studying and more like a travel guide.
That is the secret. Every kanji is a little piece of real life. Learn one a day with us, and Japan slowly stops looking like code and starts looking like home. 1 kanji a day.